All right, we are going to talk about the urinary tract system, or the excretory system, both the same names for the same, or different names for the same system. So the objective to this is to learn the structure and function of the urinary or excretory system. The kidneys are similar to the lysosome, if you remember the lysosome in the cell. So look back in your notes, and I'd like you really quickly to figure out what you think they do. So look back in your notes, pause this, look back in your notes, and try to figure out what the lysosome does for the cells so that you can try to figure out what the kidneys do for the body. All right, so the function of the kidneys. The function of the kidney is to collect waste that is produced by cell and remove them from the body. By doing this, they help maintain homeostasis and they regulate pH, remember that's how acidic or basic something is, blood pressure, and they eliminate waste like urea, which is an acid, and salt, so excess salt that you have. It works with other excretory organs. All excretory organs' job is to take things out of the body. That's what the EX means, out of, like exit. So excretory organs include the skin. When you sweat, you ever notice that it's salty? Well, your skin helps remove salt and excess water from your body. The liver, okay, and the lungs. And remember, your lungs removes carbon dioxide, and your liver removes different chemicals in your body that shouldn't be there. So it consists of the kidneys, the ureters, bladder, and urethra. So the urinary tract system consists of the kidneys, the ureters, the bladder, and the urethra. So let's first talk about the kidneys. The kidneys filter blood of waste using tiny structures called nephrons. So nephrons are like little tiny filters within each kidney. So here's a kidney, and notice that it's little tiny, and this is what it looks like if we zoom in. Okay, a nephron consists of two parts, a glomerulus and a renal tube. Okay, so we have the glomerulus, which is like this little bulge right here, okay, and then a renal tube, which is this right here, a renal tubule. It includes a network of arterioles and venules. These are just small veins and arteries that all run through here. Unfiltered blood from arteries enter the kidneys. So unfiltered blood comes in the artery, okay, and it enters the kidney. It passes through nephrons, and the nephrons remove the waste, and out, okay, of those are going to come the venules, so once they've gone through that. Nephrons collect waste and release it to the ureters. So this guy right here is taking all of the waste out of the blood that's flowing through them, and then it's going to remove it, okay, and release it to the ureter, okay. Filtered blood returns to the bloodstream in veins. So once it's clean, it goes out in the venules or the veins, okay, and then the waste heads to the ureters. So we have, remember, here's our kidney. Remember last time our kidney looks like this, and this was zoomed in. So these nephrons are inside of the kidney itself. And then from there, okay, from there we go into the ureters. That's these little tubes right here. And these little tubes carry urine or waste from each kidney to the urinary bladder. So the ureters carry waste from the kidneys to the bladder. The bladder stores urine until it is released from the body. So once it is released from the body, then your bladder is empty and it can refill again. The urethra carries urine from the bladder to the outside of the body. Okay, so when we're talking about a urethra in men, males have a common exit for both urine and sperm. Okay, that would be out of the penis. And so you have a urethra that comes out of there. That's where your pee comes out of, and that's where the sperm comes out. And females have a single exit for urine. So there's nothing else that comes out of the urethra in females. Okay, it's just urine. So yes, that's the different parts of the urinary system. I hope that makes sense. Please write down any questions you have.